The hare with many friends. Once upon a time, a hare was very popular with the other beasts who all climbed to his friend. One day he heard a pack of wild dogs coming, but he was sure he would stop them with the help of his friend. So he went to horse and asked him to carry him away from the dog on his back. But the horse refused, saying that he had an important work to do for his master. The hare felt bad but thought my other friends would come to my rescue. Then he went to the cow and asked him to scare away the dog with his horn. The cow replied, "My dear, I am so sorry. I have an important appointment, but I am sure that our friend the goat will do what you want." The hare approached the goat, but the goat feared that the dog might kill her too. The hare felt very sad, and his last hope was gulf. But the wolf too refused to help him, as he did not want to take up the responsibility that so many other animals had refused to. But this time the dog was quite near, and the hare took to his heel and escaped. Moral: one who has many friends has not friends.